Unlocking the dual doors of earning and learning, a student's guide to multifaceted success. In the dynamic landscape of education, the traditional dichotomy between learning and earning has evolved into a harmonious symphony of possibilities. Today's students are not just seekers of knowledge. They are architects of their destinies, capable of navigating the intricate balance between academic pursuits and financial independence. Here's a roadmap to illuminate the myriad ways in which students can concurrently earn and learn, transforming their educational journey into a lucrative venture. The first on my list is freelancing flexibility. Embrace the digital age by venturing into freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities for writers, graphic designers, and coders to ply their trade. This not only hones skills, but also provides a steady income. Feel free to explore these platforms. I'll be sharing the links in the comments section. Give them a try and dive in. Next is tutoring. Share your academic prowess by tutoring fellow students or offering assistance online. This not only reinforces your understanding of subjects, but also establishes you as a knowledgeable resource, earning both gratitude and compensation. You can also earn by selling your notes on sites like S2.E5. Number 3 is internships and co-ops. Merge theory with practical experience through internships. Many companies offer paid internships or co-op programs, allowing you to apply classroom concepts in a real-world setting while earning a stipend. Number 4 is online ventures. Explore the vast landscape of online opportunities. Blogging, content creation, affiliate marketing, and even starting a small e-commerce business can provide a steady income while expanding your skill set. Research assistant roles is another opportunity for you to earn as a student. Dive into the world of academia by becoming a research assistant. This not only enriches your academic experience, but also offers financial compensation for your contribution to groundbreaking research. Skill monetization. Identify your unique skills and transform them into revenue streams. Whether it's graphic design, coding, photography, or writing, platforms like Etsy, Skillshare, and even your own website can showcase and monetize your talents. Remember, you can create a free website on Google and WordPress.com. Become a campus ambassador. Many companies hire students as campus ambassadors to promote their products or services. This not only provides you with a source of income, but also opens doors to valuable networking opportunities. Online surveys and reviews. Participate in online surveys and review products. While the income might be modest, these activities can be done during study breaks, and it offers a supplementary source of funds. Scholarships and competitions. Participate in academic and skill-based competitions and apply for scholarships. Not only do these opportunities enhance your resume, but they also often come with financial rewards. By navigating these diverse avenues, students can not only fund their education, but also gain invaluable real-world experience. The intersection of learning and earning is not a conundrum, but rather a strategic approach that fosters personal and professional growth. Embrace the opportunities, and let your journey through academia become a flourishing expedition of knowledge and financial empowerment. Ready to revolutionize your student journey? Dive into the world of possibilities by incorporating these strategies into your academic adventure. Don't just study, thrive. Which avenue will you explore first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this learn and earn quest. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more empowering content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Your future of academic excellence and financial empowerment begins now. See you in our next video.